Here we have a problem on logarithmic equation. That is, we have to solve for x in the given equation. Okay, so when I look at the given equation, so on the left side, I have addition of two logarithms with the same base. So whenever I add two logarithms with the same base, what I can do is I can take logarithm once with the base, what I have for the given logarithms, and I have to multiply the arguments. This is a product rule of logarithms. So I am taking logarithm once with the base 2. And now I'm going to multiply the arguments. That is x positive 2 times 3. It can be as 3 times x positive 2 equals to, and I'm writing the stuff on the right side as this. That is log 27 to the base 2. Okay, here two logarithms are equal with the same base. Whenever two logarithms are equal with the same base, we can equate the arguments. That is 3 times x positive 2 equals to 27. Here x positive 2 is multiplied by 3 and 27 is also a multiple of 3. So we can divide both sides by 3 to simplify the equation. So 3 will cancel. 3 goes into 3 1 times and 3 goes into 27 9 times. I get x positive 2 equals to 9. Now I subtract 2 from both sides, then positive to negative will cancel. I get x equals to 7. Okay, now I have solved the equation and I got value for x, that is 7. Okay, now let's verify our answer x equal to 7 with the given logarithmic equation. That is, we have to plug in x is equal to 7 into the given logarithmic equation. So, and the equation has to be satisfied by x equal to 7. Okay, let's do that. So, log to the base 2, plug in x is equal to 7, then I'll be getting 7 positive 2, positive log to the base 2, 3, and log to the base 2, 27. Okay, here log 7 positive 2 is 9 to the base 2 positive, log 3 to the base 2 equals to log 27 to the base 2. Okay, here two logarithms are in addition. We can take logarithm once with the base, what we have for the two logarithms, and we have to multiply the arguments. So 9 times 3. This is actually a product rule of logarithm. Okay, here log the base 2. 9 times 3 is 27. So log 27 to the base 2 is equal to log 27 to the base 2. So the stuff on the left side, the stuff on the right side are equal. So the equation is satisfied by the value x equals to 7. So the solution x equal to 7 can be accepted.